everybody, how are you today? Are you ready to study some paragraphs for Unit 2 Plants and Animals? Let's get started. Look at that picture and write more than 5 sentences, from 5 to 7 sentences about this picture. You have to describe that according to these elements: bright colors, plants, fish, coral, interesting, under the sea. Let's move to the first sentence. We have to start our paragraph with there are, and after are you should add plural noun, like in this example. There are many animals under the sea. There are many bright fish. The bright colors can help fish to hide from their predators. The coral has many bright colors of animals and plants. Paragraph number 2. You have to look at this picture and listen to these elements or guiding words to help you how to write the paragraph and make your sentences. Bright colors, flowers, plants, interesting, different types. I go to the garden on Fridays. I can go there with my family. There are many plants. The plants are bright colors. There are different types of plants, flowers, trees, grass. The garden is very interesting place for me, full stop. I love to go there with my family. We have finished. This is the end of our episode today, and we finished the last part for paragraph for Unit 2. If you want to study Unit 3 Connect Plus Grade 4, you have to follow me to the next episode. Goodbye.